Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another DIY video, and this time I'm working on my Intech Sol Horizon trailer since my assignment's coming up pretty soon. What I'm gonna do is change the tail light. This is the new one that I just replaced, and this is the old ones right there. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. Stay tuned. So the first thing you'll need is of course the brand new tail lights, igniter, cable wire strippers, one of those things, the special tool to join wires connector, flathead screwdriver. So first thing first, to get this thing open, we need to turn off the breakers, so we don't want to trip any lights. So to open up the thing, you just have to pry it open with a flathead screwdriver. So again, just right here, you use the bottom part right here and pry it open. You see how wet these things are? That's why water get into this thing, and it just brake light stop malfunctioning. So we're gonna use Phillips screwdriver to take the nuts, the 4 nuts off right here before. So after you unscrew the 4 bolts, you just have to pry it open. You see how much water we got in this thing. This is why the last one quit working. I believe it's another option. Try it open here. Just wiggle it out, because there's a kind of like a plastic grommet inside, so water won't get in. And here we go. This is the plastic grommet, and this is the wires. So what we're gonna do is going to clean this area up a little bit. All right, after we clean this area, we're gonna cut these wires. You want to cut all the way here. You just want to leave a bunch of space for the next one, so we can pretty much okay. Do you strip the wires? The bare metal. Just gonna cut it. There. There. And with the new lights right here, we're just gonna join it up together. Red with the red, black with the black, and white with the white. With this tool right here that I just showed you. Instead of soldering it up, we just put the 2 wires together and melt it, so it will get connected. So after you join all the wires together, you pretty much just gotta fit it in back to the place, back to the gourmet, the plastic gourmet. Like, I'm sure there's easier way to remove this black thing, but I prefer it to be on. I know it doesn't look as good, but at least it's gonna waterproof the whole thing. So the next thing is we're gonna use the drill bit, the smallest one, and then we're gonna use the old screw right here. Make sure it is level, and screw it back on. Make sure it's straight. Just the smallest drill bit. Put the old screw back on. can, if you are OCD, you can use a brand new one. It don't matter with me, so I'm just gonna use my old screw. Make sure everything's straight and just tighten it up. And so guys, this is it. That's the finished product. Sorry about the bike, guys. I don't remember the combination of that lock, so I can remove it. I don't want to cut the locks yet. It's not ready. That's the finished products. Just have to use a scraper to remove that and cover it up with a silicone to cover this hole right here. Really easy. Probably take about 45 minutes for beginners. Just as long as you have the right tools. Alright, take care guys. Left turn signal, right turn signal, hazard light.